Hi guys, it's Miss Holly. Today we're going to make some goggles. Now, this is 2 parts of an egg carton cut out. All right, make sure they're still stuck together because you want that in the middle. Now, you're gonna need a grown-up for this part. You're going to want to cut out the bottom right here. Cut them out of both sides, okay? That's where you need your grown-up. The grown-up can cut the insides out for you. Just a little tiny part in the middle because we want it to look pretty cool, like that. See? You want it to be just like that because we are making goggles. All right, so with a little tiny hole. Then I'll do the same for the other side. Now, we're all careful with scissors, right? I know that. But sometimes grown-ups just know how to do stuff a little bit better. So there we go. We got little holes in there. You can see through them. Now that we have that part done, now you take your hole punch. All right? You're going to punch a hole. If you don't have a hole punch, you can just cut a little hole in the side. So we're going to punch a hole in the side on this side. See, there's our little side. I'm going to do the same to the other side. Now that we have our holes done, what we are going to do, I had to cut off some extra right there. What we are going to do, the side holes that you cut, you're going to stick a pipe cleaner through, just like this. Now, you're going to twist the pipe cleaner, twist, twist, twist. Like that. Now you're going to leave it long like that because you're going to test it on your eyes and see how it works, how it fits, so you can fix it to your eyes. So I'm going to do the same on this side. And it's okay if your pipe cleaner is different colors. That happens. Just so happens that my entire goggles are going to be orange. Because once you got this part done, this is the easy part. The hard part is how you're going to decorate it. So there we go. We got our goggles. Now, I've got orange paint. And I'm going to color one side. I'm painting. But you can use markers. You can use crayons. Whatever you like on your egg carton. I just like paint. And I like the color orange. So I thought I'd do this. I'm just going to paint the whole thing. Now, what do you think you can use these goggles for? Not really swimming so much because, you know, you can't open your eyes underwater with goggles like this. They don't have a cover on the front. You could use them to be a superhero. We're going to have a superhero mask. That's what the craft is today. Or you can use them to look like binoculars when you're using them outside. That might be fun. Now you want to paint all around, get all the gray spots, make sure it's all painted or colored, however you're going to do it. Now I'm going to take this lighter color and do the other side, make them both a little bit different. Gonna make them look a little bit different. Have to make sure you got the tops, the bottoms, all of it painted. Now, I don't know if you've looked on our talcottlibrary.readsquared.com yet, but we have a nature scavenger hunt on there. We will be posting it on Facebook too. But the nature scavenger hunt, you can use these as your binoculars to find those birds and some animals. But remember, do we pet random animals? No. Do we try to catch birds in the wild? No. You have to be safe and healthy this summer, which means no catching birds. You can dig in the mud. Digging in the mud is fun, but wash your hands after. Now, I have both my sides painted. Now, you get to see Miss Holly all in her mask, being all safe. Now, while it's drying, I can test it out and see where it goes on my eyes. So you bend around, whoop, you bend around the pipe cleaners to make sure that they fit your ears the right way. And you want to make sure they fit your ears good. All right. There we go. That's about where my ears are. I might have a little bit of paint on my face now. All right. Back to the goggles. Now that we know where our eyes are, we're going to make them a little bit sturdier. So my eyes are pretty close to right here. So that just means we're going to double up. You can twist it a little bit, double up on where it's supposed to be. There's that one. Twist it around, make it strong. You don't want to use pipe cleaners. You can always use string. You can use yarn instead. It's up to you what you want to use, just so long as it goes around your head. All right, I'm going to try it on one more time. You ready to watch? I know I got paint on my face, but here we go. There we are. There's my goggles. Ta-da! I can see you. All right, thanks for tuning in. It was great to see you guys. Have fun making crafts. Bye.